Hi. Let's learn about horizontal market. A horizontal market is diversified so that the products created are able to meet the needs of more than one industry. The output good or service in a horizontal market is widely used and in wide demand. Producers in a horizontal market typically face a great amount of competition within the industry. An example of a horizontal market is the demand for pens across any and all industries. Pens are used in basically all industries, and so success or failure for pen producers is determined by internal decisions and factors, rather than macro events. The profitability for companies producing goods in a horizontal market is determined more by internal, rather than external, factors, as their products are commonly used. Businesses that operate in a horizontal market system seek to appeal to a wide demographic. An example of this is a reseller of general office furniture who targets all types of businesses that maintain offices, accounting firms, travel agencies, insurance agencies, etc. Examples of companies in horizontal markets include conglomerates and diversified manufacturing companies. Vertical markets are the opposite of horizontal markets in that they focus on a very niche sector or demographic. For example, this could include a manufacturer of solar panel technology that produces nothing else. These types of firms usually sell their goods to solar contractors and installers. Although both types of markets have clear differences, a business's operations can often be characterized as serving both horizontal and vertical markets at the same time. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Horizontal markets are those that engage in broad, diversified, and multi-sector production and consumption. 2. Conglomerates, who operate in several market segments and attract a broad customer base, are examples of operating in a horizontal market. 3. This can be contrasted with vertical markets, which specialize in a particular product or focus on a particular niche demographic. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.